I'm Neil with USAFiltrationSystems.com. Today we're going to install our whole house sediment filter. It's got a 5-micron pre-filter, pulls out dirt, rust, sand, silt, and any other type of sediment that might be floating around in your water. Included in the box is a USA filtration system filter housing. It's got 3/4 inch inlet and outlet. It's got the 5-micron pre-filter. Comes with the O-ring. It's got a USA made metal wrench. Can't break it, can't bend it. Comes with a stainless steel mounting bracket. Comes with your mounting screws, installation instructions, everything you need to do the installation. The tools needed to install the USA filtration system: you need a hammer to mount your bracket on the wall, Teflon tape, pipe cutters, a wrench to tighten up the fittings into the housing, screwdriver to put the screws into the bracket, and a little silicone for the O-ring. Before we do the installation, we have to make sure we shut the water off to the house. Closing the valve to the house. We're going to have to go to a nearest sink or faucet and relieve the pressure. After that, we're going to come back and we're going to cut out a 18-inch section of the copper here so we can prepare for our installation. Now we've measured our 18 inches of copper pipe here we're going to cut out. Now we're going to use our cutter. Put the cutter on your mark. Still might get a little bit of water come out, so we've got a bucket here to catch it in. USA filtration housing has an inlet and an outlet. And make sure you have your inlet facing the way the water's coming in, and your out, water going back to the house. After that, next step, we're just going to put the mounting bracket on the housing. All right, we've got the bracket mounted. There's many different ways. You can come straight in, straight back out. Today we're actually going to come up here a little bit, and we're going to mount the bracket right here. We're going to come up at an angle and in and down here. Just that way it doesn't hit the meter when we're trying to take the filter housing off. I'm going to mark my holes to drill, and we're going to drill our holes. USAFiltrationSystems.com. USAFiltrationSystems.com. We chose to use quick connect fittings today to do our installation. We're going to use the plastic fittings that go into the head, screwing plastic into plastic. You don't usually want to put brass into a plastic valve. But I'm going to Teflon tape these. We're going to get them into our inlet and our outlet, and we'll be ready for the installation. 8 to 10 wraps around. On the direction of the threads. USAFiltrationSystems.com. Well, we've already measured our pipes. I'm going to show you how to use these quick connect elbows. Just there's a little ferrule in there. You're just going to push the pipe right in. Make sure it seats all the way. You can kind of hear it and feel it click into spot. And take the other one, put that in, and feel it click in. Those fittings there, they have little teeth in there and they're little O-rings so they won't leak on you. This one here is just going to go right here. Push in, feel it click. Last elbow, put it onto this pipe. Put in this one. Done. Now we'll show you the inlet. Installation's complete. We got the water coming in to the inlet, out, back to the house. Actually going into the softener, and then back up. Now we're gonna turn the water on. Turn it on nice and slow. Fill the housing up. You see all the dirt and the rust it's catching already? Coming in. Once you hear the pipes fill up all the way, then you can slowly turn on the water the rest of the way. That's it. USA filtration system complete.
USAFiltrationSystem.com